Okay, my Algebra 1, I hope everything's going okay. I got a little exercise for you here. If you know the answer, just write it down. If you need time to think about it, just freeze the screen. So here we go. What's the answer? Well, I hope you put x to the 16th. What is the answer? Well, you got a base raised to a power, then you're raising the whole thing to another power. You multiply the exponents. Good. Then what's the answer to that one? Well, you have a product raised to a power, so you're going to raise each one to that power. So you have x to the 6th to the 3rd, y to the 4th to the 3rd. So it'd be x to the 18th, y to the 12th. This one. What is the answer? Well, when you divide two things same base, you subtract. So 7 minus 3, the larger one's on top. So it'd be x to the 4th. So, what is the answer? Well, when you divide two things same base, you subtract, keep it where the larger one was. So 10 minus 3 is 7. It goes on the bottom because you started off bigger on the bottom. What is the answer? Now first I'd have to say, are there any numbers I could not use or put in for x? Yes, I could not put 0 in for x because 0 on the bottom is undefined. That is true all the time. But anything divided by itself except 0 is 1. Woohoo, I hope you got it. Ooh, they're getting a little bit bigger. I'm getting nervous. What is that answer? Okay, negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. X to the 6 times x to the 7 is x to the 13th. Y to the 8 times y to the 10th is y to the 18th. What is that answer? Well, when you're dividing two things same base, you subtract the powers and put it where the largest power was. So 6 of them canceled out by 4 of them would be x squared. The bigger y is on the bottom, so it'd be y squared, 10 minus 8. Ooh-hoo-hoo! This is almost as much fun as eating chocolate. Whoops. What is... I messed up. Oh well. What is that answer? This actually has more to it. So when you have a base, raise to power, raise another power, x to the 18th, you multiply. And when you multiply two things same base, you add. So that'd be x to the 42. Tricky problem. If you got that one right, I am impressed. What is that answer? Well, you just cube both terms. So 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. What is... Oh, that is a tricky one. So I notice freeze the frame if you're having trouble. You need more time. So when you have a base to a power, then you raise another power. You multiply. So this would be x to the 18th over x to the 32. Now, when you divide two things same base, you subtract. 32 minus 18, that is 14. Almost beta boo-boo. It's x to the 14th. It's on the bottom because you started with a bigger one on the bottom. Last problem, my peeps. So short video, but just practicing laws of exponents. So 3 goes into 6. That would be 2. X to the 8th, x to the 6th. These 6 cancel with 6 of these. So you'd have x squared. And then 1y cancels with 1y in the top, so it'd be y to the 9th. Hey. I hope that helps some. Hey, have a good Sunday.